Hello, tech enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence truly is? AI, at its core, is like teaching computers to think and learn, just like us. Think about traditional internet search. You type a query, and it gives you a list of links to explore. But AI is different. Instead of just links, AI can understand your question, process information, and then give you a direct, tailored answer, making it more like a conversation. Now, let's talk about generative AI, or Gen AI. This is where AI doesn't just understand, it creates. Gen AI can write stories, compose music, generate stunning images, and even create realistic videos, all from simple prompts. Next up is agentic AI. Imagine an AI that can not only generate content but also plan and execute complex tasks on its own. Agentic AI can break down a big goal into smaller steps, decide the best tools to use, and get the job done, becoming a super efficient digital assistant. At the heart of many of these innovations are large language models, or LLMs. These are enormous AI brains trained on vast amounts of text data. They learn the patterns, grammar, and context of human language, allowing them to understand, generate, and translate text with incredible fluency. Then there's multimodal chain of thought processing, or MCP. This is when AI can link information from different sources, like text, images, and sounds, to think through a problem step by step. It's like having a superpower to connect the dots across all types of information. And don't forget Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. This technique helps AI models access and use up-to-date external information to make their answers even more accurate and informed. It's like giving an AI model a super-fast research assistant to ensure its knowledge is always current. Today, the market is buzzing with incredible AI models like OpenAI's GPT series, Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini, and many more, each pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Some worry about AI replacing humans. But let's look at the positive side. AI is creating countless new jobs, enhancing human capabilities, and allowing us to focus on creativity, strategy, and empathy. It's about collaboration, not replacement. Want to become AI knowledgeable? Start with online courses on platforms like Coursera or edX. Join AI communities, read articles, and even try simple AI tools yourself. The best way to learn is by doing and exploring this fascinating field. From understanding complex queries to generating creative content and automating tasks, AI is transforming our world in incredible ways. Embrace the journey, learn continuously, and be part of this exciting technological revolution. For more exciting tech discussions and detailed guides, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Go For You YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and hit that notification bell